Hey guys, what's up? I'm a little bit late on this one, but I think it will be super useful to you because with Unreal Engine 5.5 we have a new volumetric cloud options, and I will show you in this video how to change some options and create some awesome clouds. So let's go. To do that, we are going to go to File a New Level just for the sake of this presentation. Hit Create so you can see everything on the right side. You can see right over here volumetric cloud. If you select it and scroll a little bit down, cloud material, just double click the material, and over here we have some options. If I delete the floor, so you can see the clouds, you can see that we have some options over here like a cloud layout. So if you click over here, layout cloud type, and open this drop down menu, you can see that we can change between different cloud types like strats, altos, cirrus. So if you move these sliders, you can see the difference between the clouds. You can always enable or disable. Global scale here, you can change how spreaded they are. You can see how small they are or how big they are. So you can change things here. Another interesting thing is that we can change these wind controls. If you enable this, you can change the velocity of the x-axis. For example, if you push this further, I will push this a little bit so you can see what actually happens. You can change the movement of the clouds. Here you can also check out this cloud global coverage and change the coverage of clouds like this. In the next parameter we have cloud shape. You can use the noise, for example, this noise bias, and change the noise. You can change the noise of the clouds and play with this noise to create your desired cloud effect. We can change the strength, coordinates, and so on and so on and so on. But interesting is this cloud albedo color. So enable this, click here, and easily and quickly change cloud color. And of course, cloud global density. You can make clouds denser or less denser. If you go to storm, you can add more storm clouds. You can see you can change the storm lightning texture scale, but I don't know if you can see, but I can't see any effect. I think this will be changed. And go to multi-scatter controls. If you go here, you can also change some scattering options, color of the scattering, and change intensity, this change occlusion, and so on and so on. And this is it, guys. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more content like this, and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.